Hello everyone, we are here at APSON Motors. Today we have Mr. Pratik Mittal with us. How are you?
Very well. How are you?
Good. So how will you describe your relationship with APSON Motors?
So our relationship with APSON Motors is around 2 years old now. So we are basically distributors for them in Delhi NCR and Gurgaon region. So we have been dealing with them for quite some time now, and it's been all good till now. Yeah.
So we've just launched our product that is Chetak by APSON. Did you see the machine?
Yes, I saw that.
How do you like it?
It's wonderful, and it's such a huge jumbo machine, and for such a huge capacity, an Indian manufacturer doing such a big machine is commendable.
Plus it's all made in India, 98% components, yeah. How will you describe your experience with the APSON product quality?
The product quality has been good. We are selling a lot of machines to our customers in Gurgaon as well as in the north region. So all in all, the feedback has been very good from all the customers who are installing their machines. And these machines are comparable to the machines that are being delivered by the MNCs, like other big players who are delivering machines since long. So the Indian product is comparable to them.
Thank you so much for joining us, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.